everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm about to walk into the two-bedroom of the Laurel at Preston Hollow. The Laurel at Preston Hollow. These are the hallways, and we're going to do a very quick walkthrough. This can probably be about 90 seconds. So get ready to see the two-bedroom Laurel Preston Hollow. Wow, beautiful kitchen that's here. Love the kitchen. It's just adorable. There's so much going on here. There's a gorgeous, huge island. The island's very massive. That's probably about 12 to 14 feet long. It's got shelves in it. It's also got areas where you can stick bar stools under there and just kind of eat regularly. But then you do have this beautiful kitchen that's here. There's so much to see. Love the granite that's here. Love the backsplash, the lighting, and the white cabinets that are here. Beautiful, beautiful look and feel on this area too. It's an organizational area with there is your pantry area and the fridge with the ice maker. It also has a really, really nice utility room, washer dryer included. And then also, you rarely see this, just a full setup where you can fold everything, store. That's super nice to see. This area is really large too. There's you can put a full table in here, a lot of chairs, sectionals. You've just got a lot of space in here. So a lot to work with. It's really, really pretty. You do have see a patio here. So a patio or a balcony is always going to be included. I'm going to show off one of the bedrooms. This has a half bath too, by the way, but I'm showing off one of the bedrooms, a very large bedroom. You can put this easily, like that king bed in here if you want, no problem. It's going to fit easily in here. You got a lot of space. You got beautiful windows. They're here. And then let me show you the bathroom. There's a closet, very nice closet, two-sided closet that's here, kind of splits. And then here's the bathroom. So the bathroom is beautiful. It looks like this. It's got a dual sink, huge mirror, great lights. And then it's got a beautiful, beautiful shower with a nice bench to sit in and a tub that's over there. This is just gorgeous. I love this so, so much. So this is the quick walkthrough of the two-bedroom. This is one of the floor plans here. There's a lot, but this is one of them that's available for you. Hey, the best thing to do is to actually take a tour. I'd recommend actually to do a virtual tour. That's a live tour, but conducted by someone here walking around, kind of escorting you around on the phone and showing you what's available that might fit. It's an easy way to see the Laurel, and I'll set that up for you at no charge, and I'll do it right now. If you send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I'm really ready to see this place. I'd love to set up a virtual tour. I'll take care of that. It's part of our 100% free service to make sure you're well taken care of and finding that perfect apartment here at the Laurel. So send me a text right away. You can do that right now. Just copy down the number you see below, say, hi, Grant, and just request to find out more about the Laurel and for that tour.